And check auto three, check auto three, check auto three, check auto three, check auto three. Yeah, guys and gals, we are trading the ESM 26. All right, we got a fib out at 56. We'll look at the buy side. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. In the groove. All right. Let's go around the horn, yeah, baby. I've been around the horn and yeah, baby. Get rid of that. Put that up there. Put that up there. Okay. Once again, worst thing that could have possibly happened to us was this market opening up today. Closed on our lows on Friday, and we're ripping up this morning. So, I'm going to make it a little more difficult for trading. We have the Fed this week on Wednesday. Today, what do we got? 8:15 industrial production. That's already over. Tomorrow, pending home sales at 9 o'clock. Wednesday, we got PPI in the morning. And then we got the Fed at 1 o'clock on Wednesday. Not expected to do anything. No changes expected, but it'll trade based on the language and all that stuff. So here we are. ATR is 5 points. So you're going to have at least a 5-point stop. No visitors this week. I want to see how many people we actually have in the trading room that show up. Not really. We might start having visitors again. I'll let everybody know on YouTube as the day goes on. All right. So ES we're trading at 68.45. 68.40 is our trend, and then we got 68.33. We're going to go 68.33, which is our 30 EMA if we pull in 11 points. Pop that out there. We have 56 out on the short side. That is a fib. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I put the wrong number in again. Oh, Davey, you are the best. Davey, you're the best. 67.34. Starting already, guys and girls. 67.34, down 11 points. Good. Go around the horn, see what's going on. I left an order in oil down at 95.30. It's down $1.60 from here, but just in case I'm not paying attention, that is our 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. 95.35. Down $2 from here. Let me make it 95.40 in case we're not paying attention and gold gets an absolute, oil gets a smack-a-dacka. Leave that out. Okay. Bitcoin rippling. Where are we? 74,000 in Bitcoin. So we captured our above the 30 EMA on a daily. Let's go weekly for anyone who cares. Weekly, 74,556. So we're approaching some resistance. Up 600 points from here. 74,566 is the trend line. In case anyone's interested, up 500 points from here. What else we got going on? Nothing, honeys. Aggressive trend would be 67.40, guys and girls. If you want to be aggressive early in the morning, maybe with a couple of MESs, but I don't see any reason to be aggressive in anything. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, YouTubers. Of course, everybody's emailing me after I told them not to email me. So we'll see how many people we actually have in the room. And then I'll probably invite some visitors again. Let's see what happens by the end of today. So we're hanging, not much going on. Anybody sees anything, say something. Gold, let's take a look at gold. Wow. Nothing. Spike down to 50.06. We're kind of hanging here. 50.56 up on a pivot point. So not a lot going on right now. If anybody else has anything anywhere, let me know. Otherwise, we'll chill late. Spiders. Let's see where we are. 668 on a daily. 674, so we're nowhere on a daily. We're back above the 30 EMA, which is right around 668. So we recaptured the 30 EMA. So, you know, if you were a bear, you would be shorting a little right now at 668. Not me, though. Because we broke below this by 5 points, and now we're pushing up against it again. We don't care. Morning, Damien. And that's it, ladies and gents. Patience and discipline, as always, just so everybody knows, especially my YouTube peeps. So not been an easy market to trade, right? It has not at all, with all this volatility and the news that's coming out. We have done okay. We've made a couple of bucks net, but it has been difficult. So if you're struggling a little bit in this market, don't beat yourself up. Really got to be patient. Really got to be disciplined. You really have to keep an eye on your ATRs when you're trading the futures, okay? So I have a $200 risk in the ESs. I can't even trade one contract because of the ATR. So MES, I can trade 7 contracts with a 6-point stop and still risk the same $200. So keep your eyes on the ATRs. Know when to switch from the minis to the micros. Got you, Dame. Thoughts and prayers. Morning, FL. We are susceptible to tweets at any time and oil news and all that stuff. You got it, Dame. Again, guys and girls, we are on ESM 26. For those of you who are trading the ES futures, ESM 26. And ESM 6 on Apex. ESM 6 on Apex. I've been around the world and yeah, baby. Gold, if we get up to 50.56, we like that. Let's put a little marker up there. It's up $30 from here. Good morning, Mariano. MGC. MGC. 50.56. Not likely, but we'll pop something up there. Okay. All right, now in the ESs, we have a fib up at 56. Is that correct, guys and girls? That's up 8 points from here. I like it. And let's see what we got above that. You can see, guys and girls, oh, I got it. Okay. That the first time we hit our pivot point up at 49, gave a nice little trade down 3 or 4 points. Well, now it could be a little Momo if we get above that. So we like the 56. Market keeps going up. Oil should keep going down. All the professional Twitter guys were saying that oil is going to $120. They were all excited when it got back over 100. And here we are again. Boom. Smack-a-dacka, whack-a-dacka. So I got 95.40 out. That's $1 from here. That is our 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour, 65 EMA. And they were all calling for the end of the world and the spiders this morning too. So there you go. Going to be Black Monday. I saw a lot of Black Mondays posted. Black Monday. Most of these 12-year-olds have never seen a crash. I have no idea what it is. I've been around the world and yeah, baby. Oil is always risk on, guys and girls. It's expensive. But I like it if we go down another buck from here. Good morning, everybody. ES 40, 45, and 56. Okay, let's see what we got. 40, 45, 40, 45, 40, 45. Okay, coming up. Now, as we get closer to the opening, guys and girls, we'll cancel everything and play our orb after 10 minutes. 40, 50. Down 8 points. Good. Cancel this gold. That's not going to happen. I've been around the world and yeah, baby. Oil's getting smashed. Whoa. All right, I got that 95.40 out. We didn't miss it by much. Give it this pop down. Then we got 94.50. Again, be careful with oil. What was the low? We got to 95.56, guys, and bounced 50 cents. You couldn't go down another 13 cents, you piece of crap. Oh, that would have been beautiful, guys and girls. Really, 14 cents. All right, we'll leave out 94.50. That stunk. 94.84. I'll leave that out in an eval. 94.84, down a buck from here. I'll leave it out here too. It's down a buck. That'll be a nice far from moving average trade. Ken has a fib, and Ken we trust. 94.85. Boom. Almost be a far from. I can't believe we missed that by 12 cents. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Yes, I can. All right, orders are good, orders are good, orders are good. Anyone got anything else? Let us know what the story is. Everybody just relax. Relax, don't do it. MYM for Mr. Damien. He is our resident Dow Jones trader. Micro Dow Jones, write these levels down. 47,413. It's not something that I trade. 47,413. 47 short. 47,413. That's up here. Long 47,012. That's down there. Good and good. Good and good. Bop, 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 bop. Yeah, baby. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Bop, 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 bop. So, take a chill pill. Good morning, Hanson. Spill the wine. Dig that girl. Uh-oh, green jeans left 95.40 out in gold. Get me out. Get me out of the trap. I'll get back the cheese. It took 10 cents and 20 cents. Wah, wah, wah. Look at that 95.40, guys. Whatevs. All right, we got Ken's 94.85 out in oil. It's down another buck from here, and then we got 94.50. Okay. Things are good, Bob. Things are good. We're here. Anytime my feet hit the floor in the morning, I'm happy. For orb, should we look at 1 minute closure outside and pay? No, not the 1 minute. Cool. We wait till 9:40, and then we look for a bar to close above or below the orbation. Right now, we're just kind of hanging. Again, this is, exact opposite of really what we wanted to see. But we got to deal with what they put in front of us, right? That's the name of that tune. That's the name of that tune. As we get closer to the opening, it's only 8:39. Jeez Louise. Like, let's get ready for the opening. Oh, you can build. Oh, I'm not done with the dentist either. I got to go again tomorrow. Nightmare on Elm Street. How's the weather by everybody? Everyone all right? We're having a little cold spell this week, cold and rainy. It's going to be in the 70s. Would I rather 5-minute closure outside the orb or retest? Cone, either one. We'll go through it this morning. Morning, Elijah. Everything looks like it's coming up roses. 24 and 5 inches of snow in Chicagoland. Oh, that's not good. Tornadoes. Oh, be careful. Tornadoes in California. ATR multiplier is 0.75, I believe, Don. Let me just make sure. Ooh, it should be 0.75. Yes. Mine was on 1. That's why it was off a little bit. Yes. Yeah, be careful if you're a little bit older going out. Even if you're not, be careful shoveling snow. That's like the worst thing you can possibly do. 67.40 missed. What did we get to? We only got to 45, Maria. How did it just miss? I see a low of 45. We're still good at 40 for the time being. Sorry you got snow in your eyes. I love it. Let's see. T and David, when trading MCL. Now let's go to MCL. Let me get up MCL. All right. Depending on what your risk is, right? I can trade 2 contracts with a 1-point stop. That's $200. Yeah, I don't know, Sway. It's been a nightmare, quite honestly. So $200 risk, 2 contracts with a 1-point stop. ATR is 50 cents. So we got 94.85 and 94.40, a couple of levels in gold. ES is a speculating, guys. We still like 56.50. Was that a fib somebody had? Someone remind me if we still like 56.50. Give me a heads up. 63 is a 200 EMA on a 30-minute. So let's write that down. 63, 200 EMA on a 30-minute. 63, 63, 63. All right, we got 63 and then 70, a couple of levels. 63 and 70, let's just write those down. 67, 63, 67, 70. We still like the 56 if we do it on this pop-up. And Ken's got 59 and 61. All right, let's write them all down. 67, 59, 67, 61, 67, 63, 67, 70. Would you prefer the 9 and 15 for a 5-minute orb and see if half beyond the orb in order for stop loss to be protected by those ENs? Okay. We're going to come up on a bid. Nah, again, let's just chill. I mean, 43 is a 9 EMA. That's down 9 points. Yes. Oops. How about no? The absolute worst thing that could have happened to us this morning is this market opening up. Meta's up 20 points. Everything's up 20 points. All right. 56.50. This is Nick Papadopoulos. Oil, we got a fib, and then we got 94.50. 94.85, 94.50. Hype.
Morning.
Good morning, Mr. Tuchman.
Yo, Dave, what's up?
The absolute worst thing that could have happened to us this morning, opening up.
What happened?
No, the fact that we're opening up.
I know.
Everyone and their mother was expecting Black Monday.
I know. Well, you know what? The market always surprises just when you thought it was safe.
All yours, Pete.
You got it, Betty. Hey, everybody, it's me, Peter Tuchman, Einstein of Wall Street. Welcome, everybody, to your favorite time, Monday, with Wall Street Global Trading Academy. First of all, check out the new website, WSGTA.com. Secondly, go check out our new course. It's a futures course. It's spectacular, super. It's just great. Wednesday night, 8 p.m. There's a live free Zoom webinar with David Green and the team on risk management, money management, trade management, everything you want to know about technical analysis and learning how to trade this market and futures. You got to be there. You got to register. Go to the website and register for Wednesday night, 8 p.m. live on Zoom. Then let's go. It's Monday. Okay, so what the heck's going on? I can't believe it. We're in the middle of March here. This coming Friday, we're going to have the largest first quarter S&P rebalance in history, $112 billion trade that's going to go on. Now, that is a function of the volatility that the market has been through over the last 3 months, 1 month, 2 weeks, everything around the last 2 weeks, which we've been in a war. If you haven't noticed, if you fell asleep a couple of weeks ago and just woke up, you realize that we're in the middle of a wild, crazy global war all around oil. And, this was after we had gone in and stole $12 trillion worth of oil over there in Venezuela. That would secure us a little bit. This is not a political thing. This is just economics to secure us the supply we needed in oil just in case something happened in the Middle East. Well, of course, something happened in the Middle East. Anyway, right now, as of this morning, the VIX is down 8%. Oil is retracing some of its levels. And so we're having that risk off trade where oil comes down and the market starts to go back up. We're up almost short of 1%. Okay. Obviously, everyone was looking for, after the last week that we had, which is as fragile as it could be, so much going on, so much news coming in that was retracted, was fake. Stuff about the mining, the Gulf of Hormuz, the Straits of Hormuz, and all this other stuff. And then we don't know what's real in a world that we should be getting information that is like second by second. In the old days, it used to happen. It would take days before you found out that a war started. Now we find out that the war started even before it started.
Ken,
But
we still like the 56.75. I kind of don't like that anymore. We just got the 54.25. I'm gonna wait. 60.50, guys. Go ahead, Pete.
you got it, buddy. So anyway, we're rebounding, right? That's where we are, right? For the last 2 weeks, it's been a trade that's been all about anxiety and fear around the supply of oil and around a massive global confrontation that involves China, involves Russia, involves oil, involves the Middle East, and then the next thing was the risk on, risk off trade around oil. When you have a global situation and a war that involves a commodity such as oil, which we live by, it's going to be even more volatile. And we've seen the VIX go up day after day after day, 5%, 7%, 10%, right? Fear index into the marketplace. Markets can handle anything except unknowns, anxiety, and fear. And that's what we've had for the while, basically around a lot of different things, okay? But when the price of oil, the whole question was, how long is this confrontation going to last? I don't think it's over yet. Right now, it's sort of not in the forefront. That's why we're getting a little bit of a reprieve. We saw that last week. The minute that the market stopped heavily focusing on the war itself, then it was a trade all around oil. When oil goes up, markets go down. Oil goes down, markets go up. That's the bottom line, right? But right now we're pulling back a little bit. All the things that happened for the last 2 weeks, right, which was the fear and the VIX going up and the price of oil, which has gone everywhere from 62 on that last Sunday when David and the team opened up the futures market on a Sunday. We were trading 63, 64. It ran up into the 80s. The next day we came in on that Monday, right? We were in full scale war. It ran up into the 90s, up to 119.20, pulled back down to 80, then ran back up to 90 and 100, and it's had that wild, crazy move. All that being said, we're in a crazy volatile time, right? At the end of the day, we are day traders. We are here to try and navigate and understand what the market's doing, why it's doing it, and how do we get ourselves, how do we deal with the logistics of getting in, getting out, making a little money on the side, right? We try not to listen to all the noise and the chatter. It's important to know what's going on, but at the end of the day, we're here to buy, sell, short, make a little money, protect our downside risk. That's the bottom line. We are day traders, above all, our primary purpose. And for us at Wall Street Global and David, the best technical analyst in the space, is to try and teach you how to make a little bit of money by definition every hour, every day, every week, so that you're green at the end of the day, the week, the month. That's the bottom line. So for today, we're having a reprieve off what we've had for the last couple of weeks. The market is going up. That doesn't mean it's going to continue to go up. It could pull back. We had a couple of days in the last 2 weeks where we did see a little bit of reprieve, a little bit of the chatter quiet down, and the market started to sort of get back into it. There was fresh money coming into the market in the beginning of March, right? There was a couple of days here we did it. We had some good earnings that came out, which gave the market, a couple of them were tech names, like Oracle, for instance, right? So we are still seeing, some people believe that the market cannot go a lot higher if the Mag 7 and the tech names don't rebound, right? I don't know about all that. It's very possible, but there's a lot been going on around energy, around tech, around chips, around all that. Anyway, a bit of a reprieve. I'm going to pass it back to you, Davey. Okay, Davey's not there. He's taking a quick break.
I'm always.
Oh, you're in the weeds. Anyway, I'll pass it back to you. I'll hop back on soon.
All right, until the opening, guys, we got 67.40.50, which is down 10 points from here. That was a fib. Then we got 67.38. We're leaving Ken's 67.56.75 for a few minutes. What do we like in oil now? Let's take a look. Let's see where we are. 15-minute, nothing. 30-minute, 93.60. Ooh, that's our 30-minute 200. 93.60. And 93.60. Okay, that's it, baby. Love that. That's not $1.10 from here. Let's put that out. I've been around the world and yeah, baby. 93.60. What do we like on a short? Let's see, we got 96.19 is the trend line. So I like that. 96.19. Anyone get 94.84 with Ken? Yeah, it only went 25 cents below. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, no, 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 no. It just hit the pivot point, guys. At, I don't know exactly. It looks like it missed it by a couple of centavos. But Ken gave you a nice trade off 84. Boom, chakalaka laka. 20 cents, 30 cents. All right, I'm going on the ESs to 30 EMA, 38.50, leaving the 56 for a couple of minutes. I'll call it 39. What did we say here to leave out? 93.60 in oil. 93.60 for everybody, guys and girls. Okay. We are trading in the futures, the ESM contract, M. Okay, M contract. I have trading view up. Yeah, you got to change your contract. Matt, email me. I'll give it to you. Okay, Matt. Yeah, send me an email. I don't want to post it in here, Matt. All right, we're coming in a little bit. Anyone like anything higher than 39 in the ESs? Let me know. Oil bounced beautifully off that pivot point. Yowza, yowza, yowza. Got you, Matt. Give me 1 second. Okay, nobody's got anything higher. We'll chill pill with that. $41.50 is the 4-hour, 15-minute. All right, well, let's take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Everybody's got something to hide except me and my monkey. Bum, 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 bum. One hour, 200, the MES is 58.71. Okay, we're good. Take a chill pill. We're hanging in nowhere's land. I'm comfortable with 39. Let me know if anyone's higher. Send me another one, Johnny, and I'll give it to you right now. This is for only green room members, guys. Only green. Oh, Johnny, I got you. It's coming. Give me a second. Yep. Boom. On its way. As we get closer to 9:30, we'll cancel and we'll just play our orbations. All right, Johnny, you should have it momentarily. From YouTube in the trading room. Matt S., you're in the trading room. You're a regular room member. Gotcha. It's on its way. Should have it momentarily. Yes, next week is boot camp, by the way. Boom, chakalaka. All right, I'm still good with 39, guys. If we spike down 4 points on this pop down, otherwise we go lower. What do we got below that? We got 30. We're coming down from 46. That's an 8-point move to 39. But this pop. Brian, you already have it if you're in here. You got the link if you're here. Mr. Summerhall, if you're here, you got it already. You're good. Anyone who's in the room obviously has the new link. Yes, all good. Okay. All right, so we're going to cancel 39 now. That's only a 5-point move. Take a chill pill. What do we like now? I definitely like 31. So 31 and 56, unless somebody likes anything higher, we're just taking a chill pill. 67, 31. Yeah, we're getting there. Is trading room included with the futures course? No. Trading room is completely separate from any course. In the trading room, we are together for 60 hours a week, posting every single trade that we do live in real time. That is a separate charge. And it includes a boot camp. 33 is the top of the London orb. All right, give me some levels, guys. What do you like? Talk to me, goosies. Talk to me. If you like something higher than one I'm at, let me know. $37's a fib. Anyone can confirm or deny? 37. All right, good. There we go. I'm down with you guys. 37.25. Thank you. Boom. You can send me an email, Peyote. We'll talk about it. Hey, my friend. Yeah, we're good. 37.25. We're good at 56.75 for a couple minutes. In the groove. Wah-wah. All right. All right, guys and gals, it's time. Anybody know what time it is? It's peanut butter cough time, peanut butter cough time, peanut butter cough time. NVIDIA today at 2. Okay, we'll keep our eyes on NVIDIA at 2 o'clock. Yeah, and Ken and Mike and Ken, especially Ken, start posting stocks that you see. All right? Because I know, Ken, you said you're going to concentrate a little more on stocks. Let's do it, man. I'm in. All right, grabbing a cup of coffee. We'll be right back. All right, ladies and gents, what do we got? We got 37.25. We got 56. We'll leave that for a few minutes. Guys, as we get closer to the opening, I am canceling all orders. Okay. How do I join a Zoom call if I bought Wall Street? I always notice you on Zoom. I like to be part of the community. Do I have? Yes. Again, if you want to be in a private trading room, send me an email. We can talk about it. It'll be separate from everything else that we do. But as a someone who owns the course, yo, Sammy, you get Tuesday night slow markets, you get Thursday night slow markets, you get our mentorship meetings every Thursday night at 5 o'clock. That's all included in any course. So you're in with us. Okay. Private trading room is completely separate deal. So about 10 minutes, guys. We're going to cancel everything. We'll wait for the opening and play our orbation. Take it easy on the opening. Go nice and slow. Let them do their thing. Let's make sure we got our orb set up. Pop, 9:30, 1600, 5 minutes. Boom, chakalaka. Again, guys, we're in for some extreme volatility. So just be very patient, very disciplined. Keep your eyes on your ATRs. Know when to switch from micros to minis. We'll give about 37.25 a couple minutes here. That's still down 7 points. That's more than the ATR. It's good. And we take a big fight. Try trading ICT one day. What's ICT? All right, yo, Sam, just send me an email. We'll talk about it. Oh, yeah, we don't believe in ICT. Can you explain the orb? I'm new here from South Africa. I'll try to when it sets up. All right, Keith. Keep in mind, you can buy our Just Futures course is only $299, guys and girls. That's where we explain everything in great detail. And you'll have the course. ICT is bullshit. In our estimation, in my humble opinion. Next week is boot camp, guys and girls. For those of you who don't know, in the live boot camp, we go over the entire course live in real time. You know why, Joe? Because Joe's asking why I don't trade the NQs that much. I have journaled all my trades that I've done for a long time, and I just don't do good at it for whatever reason. It's just not my thing. But you post levels, I will look at it for you. I'm not opposed to trading it for you guys. It just every time I try, I just don't do well. So why go back to a well in something that I don't do well in? I know from my journaling, it's just difficult for me. That's why I don't trade it. ATR is 20 points. So, you know, I couldn't even trade one contract risking $200. I have to go to the MNQ, right? And I could trade 7 contracts with a 15-point stop. Yes, we do trade stocks and options. We're going to start trading more stocks and options also. Yes. Okay, there should be not one person in our trading room that is visiting. Everybody here should be a room member, or you shouldn't be here. I think we're pretty good. Again, I am going to cancel everything for the opening. And we'll take a little chillaxy. Still like the 37 if we get down there. Still like the 56 if we go up there for a couple more minutes. But as we get closer to the opening, we're going to cancel. Gold just took a rippy, dippy, whippy. What do we like gold, guys? Anyone like 50.56 on the pivot point? Up $30 from here? What do you guys think? I kind of like that. If we spike up $30. Works for me. Hey, if you're journaling and it works for you, man, trade NQ all day long. I don't have a problem with that. In the groove. YM, I will trade YM. Again, keep your eyes on the ATR. It's 33 points. So 25-point stop. 16 contracts. But we will trade that if it sets up. Any news to look out for? No. We have the Fed coming out this Wednesday, so we got a lot of stuff coming out. Let's go over it again just to take a peek. Let's see. Wednesday is a gigantic day. Tomorrow we got nothing. Wednesday we got PPI in the morning, 8:30. We got oil inventories at 9:30, which should be 10:30. And then we got the Fed at 1 and 1:30. So Wednesday is the day. Let's give 37.25 this pop down. Is this Powell's last Fed? That's a good question. I don't know. You missed Peter this morning. He'll probably be back, though, before the market opens. All right, I think everybody's here who should be here. Cool. Cool beans. Right now, we're dead in the water hanging out. So this is about where I thought we would be, guys. 50 people in the private trading room, which is perfect, right? Not too many. It's good. I think I will limit it, if it's all right with everybody, to never have more than 70 people in the private trading room. That work for you guys in the room? I think once you have more, I don't want to have 100 people or 200 people or 300 people. It's not about the money. But once you start getting too many people, it gets convoluted. I'm not unhappy with 50. I think that's a good number for us. We'll see what happens. Yeah. And out of the 50, we have 20 of them that contribute every day, which is great. So whatever. Maybe we'll just leave it where it is. You know what we'll do? Here's what I'm going to do. I'm leaving it where it is. And the only other people that will get in here for the private trading room is if they buy the course. If they buy the course, They have one of our courses, then we'll let them into the room. What happened? You bought the course. Okay. Then you can be entitled to come into the green room if you want to pay the extra fee. Let's see. I've been trading futures for about a year. I'm a futures course management, and I took the risk management course. Pretty much knew everything in the course, but your course brought together everything I needed. I didn't know to be successful. I followed your rules to a T this previous week, and I see the results. Boom. I was one of those under the impression we have to have a positive rate and follow the trend. No, I will be successful as long as I stick to the course rules and trade criteria. Prior to firing you, I've been funded 3 times and got 1 payout. Love it. I love it. We are family. All right, I'm canceling my orders for the opening. I love it. I love it. I love it. I paid for the course 3 weeks ago. How can I get set? That sounds fair. They need to, yeah. You want to get the course, and then we can talk about getting into the private trading room. For the private trading room, send me an email. We'll have a discussion about it. All right, I'll just tell everybody. Here's what it is. Okay, the private trading room is $299 a month. You must be a course member to get it. Okay. For the $299 a month, you are getting live trading every single day. Every single trade we do posted live in real time. And you are getting a live boot camp every month, which is where we go over the entire course live in real time. Everything. We have Ken for 7 hours. We have Kevin for 7 hours. We got Scotty for 15 hours. We go over every part of the course, including stocks and options. It is 80 hours of intensive training. That's what the boot camp is. It's included if you are a member of the green room, the blue room. All right, we're going to take a chill pill for the opening and everything. Give me crack corn and we don't care. And we'll play our up. I'm leaving 93.60 out, and I'm leaving 50.56 out in gold and in oil. All right, just going to run to the boys' room. We're taking a big fat chill pill. Back in 2 minutes. Boom, chocolate. We are fam.
Morning, morning, morning.
Hey, Peter.
Hey, what's up, Cherry? You
Pete, you got about 30 seconds.
You got it, baby. I just wanted to tell
market's gonna
everybody
open.
got you with the market up where it is right now. We have only got about $480 million to buy for the open. So you may see a little bit of a fade before I figure it's a further follow through because it's short term oversold. So for right now, about $480 million to buy, which means right now where the market's trading, you need over $1 billion to buy to take it where it is trading pre-market, and we don't have enough to get there. And I'll let you go from there.
Thank you, Pete.
And I'll be back. You got it, kids.
That means if you want to be short a little, risk on. Be my guest. That's what that means. We are family. 67.24. I'm all over that, Bish, if we spike down there. In the groove. All right, let them open, guys. Take a chill pill. Let the orb set up. Let the orb grow on a mountain wing, and let the love show in all living things, and let your love grow. There's a reason. There you go, guys. If you shorted a little on the opening, cover, take some pointage. Nice call by Pete once again. Yep. Nice 5-6 points, right? Boom, 7 points. So work for a little trade. All right. Do we like 56, guys? Brian got 4 points. I know we had a fib up at 56. Do we like that? Or we just want to chill and play the orb? Let your love grow like a mountain wave. Yeah, let's play the orb. Take a chill pill. Oil's getting smacked. All right, I like that 93.60. That was our 30 EMA on a 200. Boom. $63.63. Okay, I'm down with that. Be patient, let the orb set up. I mean, I like 63 as a 30-minute 200. Let's put that in. I'm down with that, no matter what the orb does. Works for me. Watch the oil orb. Again, we wait till 10 after, guys and girls. Morning, JR. Gold's not doing anything. Oil's not doing anything. MES not doing anything. Nothing doing anything. So relax. Just let me know if anybody has anything out other than what we have out there so we can take a peek. Otherwise, relax, guys and gals. Oil is what is oil? Let me look on yeah, still CLJ6 oil. Yes. Let your love grow like a mountain in spring. Gold doing anything? Gold orb setting up, nothing to do. We got that 50-56 out. Oil's nothing. And ES is a nothing. 67.37 is the 15 EMA. Yeah, I love that. While we're waiting, it's fine. Down 12 points. $37.50. It's good. Bump, bump, bump. Williams got 37.50, Perry. 15-minute 200 EMA. We got 63 on the short side, which I like. It's good. We spike up 10 points. 5-minute orb is set. Top of the orb broke a little bit, was 52.50. Gave you a quick point. If I did it, I just have a 52 stop now. Chill, because it's early. And we're waiting for the 940 orb to set up. Bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Bum, ba-dum, 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 bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Good traders should be bored most of the time. How many times have we said that over the last couple of weeks, right? A million? Oil? I don't like anything in oil. Gold, we're good if we get spike up to 56. The S is trying to break out, but really not. What we want to see is some consolidation here for the next 5 minutes. And then, now that we're above it, then we can buy a breakout. So for the next 3 minutes, let's see if we can get some consolidation here. $67.56. Yeah, I know, but it's only like 3 points from here. Not that the ATR is gigantic, but chill. It is lackluster right now. David, WSGA, they have the orb indicator. Yes, there's rules to the orb. It's not just putting an orb up there and jumping in. Make sure you're on ESM6, Joe. ESM6. Okay. ESM6. Or 26, yes. So let's keep an eye on the next 2 minutes. A point, Alex. Within a point, we can. So again, if we can consolidate up here after 940, then we can try to top the breakout of the orb. We maybe even try the bottom of the orb. So let's give it a few more minutes. We're kind of just sitting in nowhere's land. This is when you go, don't fit, don't force it. We have spent a lot of time over the last couple of weeks not trading because the market just has been difficult. It's been difficult. So in 1 minute, if we get the breakout, we can try a little bit of a breakout here. See what happens. We're sitting in nowhere's land. Let your love go. On top of the orb is 5250. All right, so now we're set up. See what happens. Sometimes, Brian, it screws things up. So if you brought it above 5250, I would start taking some profits. There you go. There's 2 points. Just have a break even stop. There's 4 points. Boom. And 5 points. There you go, guys and girls. Anyone get the orb breakout? Boom. Beautiful. All right, we have a fib up at 63, guys. Okay, don't be greedy. Put money in the bank. No, 10 minutes, Ken. 10 minutes. 940 is when it sets up. And that was about as good as it gets. Boom chakalaka. Who had something at 63? I mean, I like it. So I'll explain the orb trade to everybody. 200 on what? 30 minute? Yeah, there we go. Got it. Yep, 63 is good. Especially if we do it on this pop-up. All right, so here's the orb trade, guys and girls. We wait till 940. If we did the first one, it would have done nothing. After 940, when we get above the orb high, we buy with a market order. The orb high was 52.50. It was after 940, and there you go. Boom chakalaka. Just spectacular breakout. That can be done for the day on one trade. Boom. All right, let's see if we get to 63 on this pop up. Keep it small. No, it's an orb trade. I mean, you could call it a momentum trade. It's the same thing. All right. Anyone got anything above 63? If we don't hit it on this pop up, let me know. Let your love go. Okay. Mr. Green, do YouTube every day. You will improve a lot of people's lives. That. Orb trade is a buy stop or a sell stop. Yes, friend. Yep, you can do it with a stop. We just missed 63. Yeah, we got the 61.50. Cancel that. Cancel that. All right. 69 is the 4 hour, 3 minute, 30 minute. Well, let's put that out. 69. And let's get our buy side out, guys. Somewhere good. Okay. 69 will be close to a far from moving average trade too, guys. 67, 69. Boom. All right, buy side. Well, top of the orb is 52. We don't like that. Trend is 47. Early trend is 47 and then 43. I like 47, guys. Yeah, there you go, William. Boom. Down 12 points. 67, 47. Yes. All right, we are 47, 69. And chill. Hike. Oil's not doing anything. Gold. Let's see if gold did anything. Yeah, gold broke out of the top of the orb for a few points. 35, and it got up to 41. So that first break of the gold was good. Oil's dead. Okay. Yes, as it is. We got a nice trend trade going here to the buy side. So. Oh, I left something out. 63, get me out. Get me out of the trap. I'll give back the cheese. All right, I like 69 if we get there fast, guys. This pop. Yep, we're getting stretched, so that's why I really like the 69. Let's see if we do it now. Oh, come on. $68.75. Really? For 2 points. Would have been a quick 3-point down. Oil, I like my 93.60. We're good. We had a fib up there at 69. Just be patient now. We don't like it the second time up. 75, let's do it. Home. Oh, I just shorted it at the market. I am such an idiot. Uh, 75, guys. $67.75. Ken, you got a fib at 71.50? I'll try it. $69.71.50. I'm gonna keep it small. We're getting stretched far from moving average now. Ah,
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Breakout in the market, huh? Holy cow.
then some.
And then some. That's what you call severely a short-term oversold situation. Amazing.
69 was perfect, guys. Oh, geweld. Who talked us out of 69? Oil breaks double bottom at 94.30. Cancel 93.60, Mike. Okay.
That's surely contributing to the breakout in the market.
Yeah, we'll cancel it for now. All right, we like the top of the orb on the buy side. 40. Yeah, we gotta like something higher than that. No, let's put out 40. No, the top of the orb is 52, guys. Top of the orb is 52. I like that. Cancel that. Cancel that. 52 will be down 17 points. I'm good with that. We're trying it if we spike down fast. 67, 52. Still down 13 points from here, guys and girls. We're going to try to buy the top of the orb now, Ken. On a pullback to 53. We'll leave the 71 short out. Now we want to buy the top of the orb. I'm good at 52, guys. If we spike down 10 points from here, we're good. Oh, wait, we got to change it to the 15-minute orb. You are right. So maybe it'll change. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on there. We did get a little short off the opening, Pete.
Did you? Uh-huh.
Yeah. Like
it was small. I did say it would be small. And then I felt like I said that the short term, we are so oversold that once the market is taking that little arbitrage, then it's off to the races. It's going to do what it wants to do.
Yeah, guys, the orb has changed significantly. So let's see now. All right. Our 9 EMA is 55, and then our 15 EMA is 52. Our 30 EMA is 46. So what do we like, guys? 53.50 is a fib. I like that. That's where we are.
I'm glad you got a little one short. Good.
67, 53, 50. Good. Boom, shakalaka.
Yeah. Brian caught it the last couple of times I've said it. Good show, kid. That's fun. I love it. It's amazing. Yeah, it's money. It's money. It's really it's an incredible trade. And the key is it's just like with regular technical analysis. This is not technical analysis. It's a bit of an edge, but you don't play it if it doesn't set up. You know what I'm saying? It's like you hope, FOMO, hype are not trading strategies, right? If the numbers set up, and it's numbers that we've developed for years of watching what the exact dollar value is.
Guys,
and no
1
dollar.
second.
Go good.
Didn't we miss that 69 by a quarter of a point the first time it went up there, right? Is that why we canceled, guys and girls? Someone make me feel better? All right, good. All right, so we're good now. 53.71. Oh, 69.71. I do it all day. I already lost $50 today hitting 2 wrong buttons. 67.71. Okay, we're good. 53.71 hike. Chill it out.
Hot Route 7. Hot Route 7. Anyway, it's so fascinating the way, think about it, last week nobody just wanted to even touch the market, and it was so oversold, and people don't understand that's what markets do. I mean, we've seen this movie before time and time again, right? So and now we're going to run this up move for a while. Let's see if we actually think about it. 3 weeks ago or whatever it was, we actually hit 50,000 in the Dow and we touched 7,000 in the S&P, right? we had those pullbacks. Those are milestone numbers, right? They're actually huge. They're actually meaningful. And then, sure enough, we had this little geo-global war that just sort of popped into our world for a little bit. You know what? The next one may be the charm. The next one may be the breakout, depending on what's going on here. But this is think about it. Wars used to take a couple of months. Now wars take a couple of weeks, and then they're over, and then you move on to the next story. So I'm not sure what the next story is. Next story could be an interest rate play, and Federal Reserve Chairman play. I mean, because think about it. It could be bizarre. I'm still in mid-January, but we are actually in mid-March. And that means that in mid-April, I believe that the Fed chairman is going to be switched, and then we're going to get a whole nother landscape here. So, but you know what? For us, I want everybody to please sign up for Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. Go to WSGTA.com and register for your masterclass. Right? It's going to be great. We do it every month. It's a whole lot of fun. Everybody gets together.
Guys, that don't cost anything. Here's the link. Come join us, baby.
It is live. It is free. We talk psychology. Ken comes on and blows everybody away with the psychology of trading. It's amazing. And then the whole team shakes out risk management and all the other things that we do. So come and join us, literally. And trading the opening bell Mondays and Fridays, there's no place better to be than here on a Monday and Friday morning. Because think about what's happened in the last 15, 20 minutes. All that information that's been disseminating, you guys have been taking through trades, that you would have been sitting there by your machines all by yourself going like, what in God's name is happening? I do these fun episodes at night. It's like episode 9,800 of what the heck is going on, right? That's that's where we're at here. The market has so many strange components that make it move. And if you don't have the experience of 40 years like David and I do, then you don't know what to do with all this stuff. So
we're just old, not experienced.
We're long timers, not old timers.
I got you. Guys, sometimes we're going to miss those trades by a quarter of a point, and they end up working for 10 points. It happens. Next. All right. I'm looking at the spiders on a daily chart, guys and girls, and we have room now to get back to our trend. And if you look at the spiders over the last week, what a beautiful trend. Every rally has been sold. If you look up here, we got to a 9 and 15 EMA at 81 and 83. We got to a 9 EMA at 79. Now the 9 EMA is 673. So if we get to 673, I will be looking to short this market. Now it's 4 points away. So we're right in the middle of nowhere's land, basically. But we have been on a downtrend on the daily chart. There's no question about it. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. We pinpointed 657 last week. I still think that's possible at some point. So we'll see. Not that it matters to us anyway. Meanwhile, we're dead in the water. All
right, guys. I'm going to go hop into the floor, Dave. I'll check back in a few minutes.
Well, good, Pete.
Thanks, everybody. Good luck.
Starting to lose volume. The one great trade we had missed us by a quarter of a point, then went there, and then went down 10 points. Wah, wah, wah. So everybody relax. It be what it be. What you going to do? Predictions during the weekend are also no. Yeah, you got that right. Today was supposed to be Black Monday. What's a good range for profit and loss today? Larry asks. We don't have. We just trade, Larry. We trade when things set up. We make our trades. We have a goal as to how much we want to make every day. If we get near or at that goal, we are done trading for the day. So we'll take as many trades as set up or don't. And then that's it. Everybody has a different goal. Some want to make 100. Some want to make 200. Some want to make 500. Some want to make 50. Do we like 71, guys, on this pop? We'll be coming up from 61. All right, let's give it this pop. I'm down with it. Bump, 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 bump. Yeah, it'll be up 10 points, but let's have it on this pop-up. I like it, I like it, I like it. Oil's getting crushed, guys. Yowza. 92.04 is the previous day low in oil. Let's put a little marker down there. I like that. 92.04. We just miss again. Grab a point, guys. Right. How come I didn't grab a point? Because I'm freaking too slow. Everyone should have grabbed the point, right? Keep it tight now. Market is very, 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 very strong. So don't risk much on this trade. Grab the point. Don't lose more than 2 points.
Black news, Dave.
What news?
Pending home sales.
I don't know if that's news or not. We'll see. Well, what did this have? How did I get long? Oh, the 71 fib. Yeah. Good call. We got a little bit out of it. Okay. All right. Yeah, I like oil at 92.04. The market's just very strong. What do we got above here, guys? I mean, 87 is the previous day high. Yeah, I got that. All right, our bid's coming up to the trend 15-minute EMA, 56, guys. Great call on the 71, guys. Just had to be a little patient. There's 5 points. Nice job, Vish. Boom, 6 points. A boom. What do we want? 67, 56. All right. Everybody trail the last one out down there. Got a few points. Excuse me, but what are you trading? We are trading futures. Our lady. We are trading futures. I have 2 orders here. 56 is good. All right, everybody should have been a little green on that trade. Give me some ones, guys and girls. YouTubers from 71. Couple bucks. Joe, you're not green? Well, you should have been break even at worst. You should not have lost any money, that's for sure. It probably is a trend trade. What's the trend? 60. We got 60 and 56. I'll try it with the MESs. Maybe we stay in a trend all day. 67.60 for 1 and 67.56 for 2. I sold at market with a couple of tick profits. All right, John. 67.60, 67.56. We'll try to trend. Got out of SDIX too early. All right. Good. Glad you made a couple bucks. What do we got on the short side, guys? Okay, we're in the same thing in daily here. We got room, our daily is 67.99. The 9 EMA. It's exactly the spider move, too. I don't think we're going to have anything else here. Yeah. No other real resistance. So we want to get long, guys and girls. We want to get long. Yep, 87 will definitely do. Let's pop that out. I know, we're getting stretched. But the RSI is sitting up here also. No, me neither, Brian. I want to pull back to get long, but we'll certainly do 87. I would be aggressive if we spike up there. Boom. Got a fib at 89.50. Thank you, YouTube. Love it. I want to get long. What's the top of the orb? 61. Yeah, but I don't. We're scalping for a couple points here and there. I want to get in on this trend and just hang out. Let's come up to 61. Keep adjusting. Bum, 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 bum. 61 and 56 is good. We'll make that 57. Yeah, we're still scalping a couple of bucks. It's fine. But one of these days, I'd like to get long and stay in it all day and make 100 points. Bum, 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 bum. Nish is done for the day. Just watching, getting long, retested the orb. Yes. I believe all the experts were going for $200 oil. That still might get there. Who the hell knows? Ours is not the reason why. Ours is just a trade. So you see, I'm doing the MESs for the trend trade, guys, because there is a 4-point spread. You're welcome, Nish. A couple of YouTubers thanking us for doing this. They're done for the day. Again, ladies and gents, we have suspended visitors for now, but you want to check out any of our courses, WSGTA.com. A couple of YouTubers just signed up for a trading room too, so thank you. We appreciate it. All right, Vish, we'll see how it starts going down. I still like the trend. It's still down 7 points from here to even hit us. So, choke though. JP needs the password. $15 EMA. You want to be safe? All right. 57. I'm down with that. Take a chill pill. Just found the channel today. Good. I'll be back when I get my payoff. Durf Durf was visiting last week. We had a good week, right? Made a couple bucks. For those of you who sign up, you won't regret it. Best move you can do this week. Now we try to keep it cheap and affordable for everybody. Let your love flow like a mountain wing, and let your love flow in all moving things. Market is strong, right? Bitcoin up 3,000 points. Bump, bump, bump. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Look, guys, we're trying to help as many people as we possibly can. Again, we don't talk about money here. But since we have started YouTube, you guys tell me, have we ever had a losing session on YouTube? And again, we're not talking money. I don't care about money. Trading is not about money. Money comes. I don't know how many sessions we've done with you guys on YouTube, but if it's not obvious that we kind of know what we're doing in here by now, it's never going to be. That's the bottom line. See how we're starting to lose a little volume already at 10 o'clock? Wah, wah, wah. One thing we will never do here is lose a lot of money. I mean, we can't even come close to the bottom of the orb. So I requested a payout last week from Apex. It got approved, but I haven't seen any money yet. I don't know if you guys, some people said they're getting it really quick. Some people said it's taking forever. Let your love flow on the mountain wind. Let your love flow in all moving things and let your love grow. Certainly can't get any much of a pullback here, guys and girls. Boom, boom, boom. We have nothing between 71 and 87. See how we're hanging around the 80 RSI, guys? That's, not conducive for far from moving average. But if we get to 87, it will be both a great resistance level and a far from moving average trade. Here's the thing that's very important for everybody. Okay. You requested one on Monday, got approved on Tuesday, and paid out on Thursday. Wow. Anyone have a fib at 81? Matt says he has a fib at 81 from YouTube. Anyone else got that? Just you trying 75? It kind of just missed that. Got the 74, 75. Yeah. All right. Jazz got 79.50. Anyone else? Kind of like that. 79.50 would be up 15 points. I'm down with that, guys. In Jazz, we trust. 79.50. That would be up 15 points. I'm okay with that. And 2 people got 83. All right, good. 67.83. So let's do this. Let's make that 83. And if we don't get to 79 fast, we'll just leave the 83 out. You got it, Joe. It's very important, guys, not to do anything in between levels. That's where you get in trouble. Oh, I think it has to go down from here. No, it don't. I don't even think I like 79.50. Let's leave 83 out, guys. That's still up 10 points from here. Down with that. Let's just relax. Unfortunately, there's not a lot happening. We can't force anything on. Chill. Don't look back and say this would have worked or this could have worked. Take a chill pill. JP is in. It's the end of the world as we know it. And I feel fine. Yeah, I like the 83. Ken's got 84. Okay, let's split the difference. We'll go 83.50 between everybody's fib and Ken's fib. Yep, top of the orb is 62. That's where we want to be on the buy side. Good. Okay, 62, 83.50. Hey. Strong like bull. All right, orders are good. I'm just running to the boys. YouTube, we're going to hang out for another 10 minutes. Okay. Everybody got a couple of bucks today. I might start crocheting. Not a bad idea. Again, guys, register for the free webinar. That doesn't cost a dime. WSGTA.com. I only buy micros in my real money account. Andrea. This is my real money account, $27,100. But when I'm trading Apex, I'm only trading the ESs. So just to tell everybody what we're doing and follow what we're doing. And again, everybody pushes their own buttons. We don't tell anybody what to buy and sell. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. But I'm always trading the ES in my Apex accounts. Always. So MES is just for everybody to follow. Boom, chocolate. Excellent, Joel. I love it. Good. Keep journaling your trades, Joel. All right, Google on a pivot point. Let's look. Google on the pivot point. It just hit it, Kent. A couple minutes ago. Hit it and missed it and went down already. Amazon just missed it. Micron 65 EMA. Yeah. All right. Aha. Gotcha. Vish has 57. You guys want to go down to 57.50? I'm staying at the top of the order. Still down 8 points from here. I'm staying at the top of the orb, guys. Third trade. I'm in the micros. It's 61.50. I'm bidding 62. That's still down 10 points from here. So let's give it a few minutes before we start changing anything. Yeah, where are we ATR wise now? Down to 7.5. What else? Gold, dead. Oil, dead. I have a combine. Oh, I got that already. Yeah. I don't think anyone was expecting this rally today. Everything I saw on TikTok and Twitter was Black Monday. Morons. Andrea, we go by what we're seeing on the chart. We're using a 5-minute chart to start to find support and resistance levels. And that's all we're looking at. What's right in front of us, Andrea. It's a fade to an advantage. Dave, there's a reason why we're using EM. Yes, because that's the latest contract, Danny. That's why. Hello, is this the week of the trading room, Steve? No, there are no visitors in the trading room for the foreseeable future, Reese. A lot of people were taking advantage. So I had people coming into the trading room 5 weeks in a row. So for now, we suspended visitors in the trading room. You can buy any of our courses. You can sign up for the trading room, and then you'll be with us. But if we would have done ES, does it just not automate there anyway? If you're trading ES in your regular, in a regular cash account, then you can just trade ES. What did Ken say? I want a career where I have to bullshit everyone forever. Be a stock caller or sell cars. There you go. All right, everybody should be a little green today. Trading room, give me some ones. Everybody should be green. How much is the trading room? Send me an email. I'll just tell everybody. Okay, here it is. If you want to join our live trading room, which is every single day, it's $299 per month, $15 a day. That includes a live boot camp where we go over the entire course in real time. We have a boot camp next week. The boot camp is about 80 hours of live instruction where we go over the entire course, including futures, stocks, options, psychology, Tuesday night and Thursday night, mentorship, slow markets, boom, chakalaka. That's it. dgreen927 at yahoo.com, PayPal. I can tell you right now, I made a promise to the people in my room that I'd only have a certain amount of people. I have 7 spots left. That's it. We're not going to have 200 people in here. It's never going to happen. So, and again, don't. We're giving you as much as we can on these free YouTubes Monday and Friday, so nobody feel obligated to do anything. That's for sure. All right, YouTube, it's been a pleasure. We will be back on Friday morning. Just keep doing what we do. Be patient, be disciplined. Don't be in a hurry. Okay. It be what it be. I say peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. Send me an email, Andre. I have a lot of people who can do one-on-one mentorship. Yes. Look, here's the bottom line. Okay. And again, if you've been with us any amount of time on YouTube, we're not full of shit. We make money. Sorry, that's the bottom line. Again, I don't think we've had a losing session since we started doing YouTube. So I'm sure there's one coming. But whatever. We're here, we do our thing, and net, we make money. That's the bottom line. So get in touch with me if you want to join us. Please at least come to the free webinar. You know, this doesn't cost anything on Wednesday night, 8 p.m. Boom, chakalaka. We're not full of shit. We make money. Another t-shirt. All right, guys. I'll see you all bright and early on Friday. Thank you again, guys. We really appreciate those who have signed up for the trading room. You are now part of the family. Okay. We are here to help you with anything that happens. Please. Once you join our family, we hold your hands through thick and thin. Okay. All right, YouTubers. Let's hope today's the worst day we ever have and tomorrow's a better day. I say peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. We are out of here like Vladimir Overski and Mr. Outski. Boom, chakalaka.